Oh my gosh. I'm going to New York. I just booked my New York flight one-way ticket, January 18th, 2021 at 10:30. I'm going to New York. I bought my ticket. It's all coming. I can't talk. It's all coming together. I got my lease, got my Delta credit card, just applied. Got my Delta ticket and I'm ready. What in the world did I get myself into? Crazy. Ah, do you even see it? Look at this. New York, I'm coming for you. Hello. I leave tomorrow and I've had about 3 panic attacks yesterday. I have so much to pack, and while my room looks clean, it's not at all. It's a absolute mess. I think my mom's gonna help me because she knows I'm freaking out. Today's the day. I'm getting ready. Yeah, I'm scared. I'm excited. I'm nervous. This is just probably the craziest thing. Next to jumping out of a plane and going skydiving. Like, I know it seems so simple and anyone can travel, anyone can get on a plane, anyone can live anywhere, but this is one of the hardest things that I think I've ever done. Kind of freaking out if you can't tell. Okay, I'm heading out. Goodbye. Favorite room ever. Ah, okay, let's go. I'm being quiet because I have roommates and I don't want to be too loud. I don't know how this is gonna go. First of all, I have a bunch of packages that were waiting for me so that way I can actually set up my room. But this is the main door. These all are closets. This is a bathroom. So this is a shared bathroom. Let's look at it because I haven't seen it. It's a shared bathroom. And then I'm gonna flip it. And this is when you walk in. So we have drawers, the bed, some more closets, light, and this right here is my view. Oh my gosh, that's the Freedom Tower. The fact that this is my view is insane. Lights, this is it. I think I just need a minute to get adjusted, but welcome to New York City in my new 6 months life. Ah. Did you? Okay, here I am, crazy haired mess. So Linda came over, dropped off food, and now I'm just chilling because I am exhausted. I barely slept last night because I was nervous. I think I might move around the bed, but this is the setup right now. Let me turn it around. This is what it looks like. So that's my work monitor, my laptop. I have to watch Hulu, eat Poke. Linda got me flowers. And let's just call it a wrap for this video. Welcome to New York. Bye.